Have you ever wondered why we get hiccups? Hiccups occur when the diaphragm, a muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts involuntarily. This contraction causes your vocal cords to close briefly, which produces the characteristic hic sound. But what triggers this sudden contraction? It can be caused by eating too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, or even a sudden change in temperature. While hiccups are usually harmless and go away on their own, persistent hiccups could be a sign of an underlying medical condition. So next time you get the hiccups, you'll know exactly what's happening inside your body.